Hi friends, Miles here and I'm back. I'm making this video to update you guys on what's happening, what's going on, bakit ngayon lang ako nag-upload. This will not be the usual video. Una, there's not much of you na nanonood, no? Pero I'm really sorry sa mga nanonood na hindi ako nakaka-upload. It's just been a really rough time for me. I'm trying to sort things both in my career and personal life, no? So some of it I've already sorted out. Some of it's still going on and I'm still thinking about. But I know that this is just a phase and malalampasan ko to, no? At this time, it's just really challenging, no? Pero kaya ko to. Second thing is I've unlisted my old videos. I've done this before and I think I'll permanently do it now, no? So if unlisted naman, if you have the link, you can still watch the videos. As for the reason why I did it, I'll be really honest to you guys. I'm in this point in my career that I thought I was doing well, pero I'm not. It does not feel good to me to give advice sa mga tao, no? Lalo na kung yung sarili kong career is hindi ko siya maayos. I'm not terminated or wala akong issues, no, sa performance ko or anything. Pero ang masasabi ko lang, I do not feel good. I'm a bit disappointed. This is a reality check for me and it will be a lesson to me, no? So I'll be really wise moving forward. So going back, ayun lang, ayoko lang nung ganun feeling, no? So you don't really want to have fitness advice from someone na hindi fit, no? So it's the same concept for me. Maybe one day I'll be able to share more, but right now yun yung status ko. It's really challenging. I've had a lot of sleepless nights. I have too many decisions to make. Gusto ko maging firm na ito yung value ko, pero people do not, I guess, see na kung ano yung nakikita ko for me or sa sarili ko. You gave your loyalty, your best, your everything, but I'll stop there. So doon na lang muna, no. I'm basically begging at this point, no. And I still have my pride and it's really hard for me to do this. I just have my belief, no, pero sometimes it gets shaken and parang nawawala yung confidence natin and kumpiyansa. But yeah, really tough time career-wise. Pero enough of that, no. Doon naman tayo sa mga good news. I'm not sure kung nakita nyo yung post na yun sa Facebook. Shinare ko din ata yun sa YouTube, but I've lost 10 kilograms. It has been a goal of mine for the last 2 years na bumalik below 80 kilograms, no. So nakita nyo naman yung progress ko sa video ko, palubo ako ng palubo. Pero yun nga, hindi na siya mabuti for me, so I decided na mag-focus sa fitness. I feel lighter now. I feel more happy. If I were in that state nung medyo sobrang taba natin, no, baka hindi ko kinaya yung mga iniisip ko. Pero right now, I am regulated. Nako-control ko naman kahit paano. Some things still bother me, pero it really helped me, no, itong pag-exercise na ma-alleviate yung mga anxiety ko or yung mga pag-overthink ko. So yeah, that's a win for me this year. And another thing, I will be going to Japan. I'm not a travel blogger, no, so don't expect too much na pagbablog doon. It's a win for me kasi it's my first time and na-approve na nga yung visa namin. Susulitin ko talaga yung time na yun, no, kasi after nun, balik na naman tayo sa grind dahil alipin tayo ng salapi ngayon. Yun lang naman yung updates, no. Not like you guys need to know. In a way, I'm really hopeful na babalikan ko tong video na to, no, and say na I'm in a better place now. Maybe I'll make a video and flesh out yung mga pinagsasabi ko dito, no. We'll keep pushing through and nalaban tayo, no. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Yun. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.